Hi, hello, Vadakkam, Namaste friends. Today we are joined two of the most fascinating siblings from the Ramayana, Ravana and Surpadaka. Did Ravana really have 10 heads or did those heads symbolize 10 extraordinary talents and kinds of knowledge?
जनस्थान की राजकुमारी
And was Supradaka only a villain or the unexpected character who accidentally started the biggest chain reaction in the Ramayana? Just imagine one sister gets angry, one brother gets emotional, and suddenly an entire epic is ready for battle.
ना उसका अपमान। रावण तीनों लोकों का स्वामी है, तो तीनों लोकों के सामने उसका वध करो।
Sometimes history isn't changed by kings alone, it's changed by family drama too. So sit back, relax, and as this drawing comes to life, let's discover the power, mystery, and surprising story behind Ravana and Surpadaka, the most talked about brother and sister of Lanka. Let us begin drawing our most powerful, fearful Ravana, the warrior. Ravana was born to sage Vishrava and Kaikesi. Vishrava was a great Brahmin sage and the son of the famous sage Pulastya, one of the mind-born sons of Lord Brahma. Because of this lineage, Ravana had the blood of great sages and scholars. Kaikesi belonged to the Rakshasa clan, which gave Ravana immense strength and fierce determination. Ravana had several siblings, including Kumbhakarna, Vibhishana, and Surpadaka. So Ravana was not born as an ordinary demon. He was born into a family that combined spiritual knowledge, intelligence, and extraordinary power. One of Ravana's greatest qualities was his devotion to Lord Shiva. He performed intense penance for thousands of years. According to tradition, he even offered his own heads one by one to please Shiva. Pleased with his devotion, Lord Shiva blessed him with immense power, and there comes the actual reason for considering Ravana as a person who had 10 heads, 10-headed Ravana. Ravana was also a master of the Vedas and scriptures, an expert in Ayurveda and astrology, a skilled musician who played the Veena, a brilliant warrior and king. And about his musical skills, there are lots of evidence. Yes, Ravana is a brilliant musician and his music is heart-throbbing. The kingdom of Lanka under Ravana was described as a city of gold filled with wealth, architecture, and advanced knowledge. People really enjoyed the life. His 10 heads are often interpreted symbolically. They represent vast knowledge and mastery over many fields, though they also symbolize uncontrolled desires and ego. Despite his greatness, Ravana's pride and arrogance became his downfall. His refusal to return Amma Sita and his belief that no one could defeat him led to the great war with Lord Rama. This is one of the important message of the Ramayana. Knowledge and power are valuable only when guided by humility and righteousness. Let's do the drawing of our gorgeous Surpanaka, deadly gorgeous Surpanaka to be precise. Surpanaka is often remembered only for the incident involving Rama and Lakshmana, but her role is much more significant. She was fearless in expressing her desires, capable of shapelifting, independent and strong-willed, a catalyst for the major events of the Ramayana. When she saw Rama in the forest, she was attracted by his beauty and proposed marriage to him. Rama gently refused and directed her towards Lakshmana. Lakshmana also rejected her, and in anger she attempted to attack Sita because she thought Sita is the reason Rama rejected Surpanaka. Lakshmana then cut off her nose and ears. Humiliated and furious, Surpanaka went to her brother Ravana and described Sita's extraordinary beauty. This eventually led to Ravana abducting Sita, which became the turning point of the entire Ramayana. Without Surpanaka's action, the great war between Rama and Ravana might never have happened. Ravana and Surpanaka were brother and sister, yet they represent two different aspects of human nature. Ravana represents great knowledge, talent, devotion, ambition, but also ego and attachment. Surpanaka represents desire, emotion, impulsiveness, and wounded pride. The Ramayana does not present characters as completely black or white. Even those who oppose Rama have complex personalities and important lessons to teach us. Ravana teaches us that wisdom without humility can destroy even the most powerful person. Surpanaka teaches us that uncontrolled emotions can create consequences far beyond what we imagine. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing and the story behind these fascinating Ramayana characters. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such kind of videos from me. Just wait for my next video. Of course, I'm gonna draw the hero of Ramayana, Lord Rama and Amma Sita, and some more interesting sequences I will add in my next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram.